In the heart of Sri Lanka, where the mountains rise to kiss the heavens, and the mist dances with the morning sun, lies a world untouched and pure. These rolling hills, cloaked in green, are more than just landscapes. They are the guardians of life, the keepers of our heritage. From the whispering trees to the clouds that paint the skies, every corner of this land tells a story. A story of resilience, of harmony, of beauty crafted by nature's hand. Here, time slows, and every breath feels like a blessing. This is not just a place, it's a feeling, a connection to something greater. It's a reminder of what we must cherish, protect, and celebrate. Sri Lanka's mountains, its forests, its endless skies. This is our home. This is our pride. And it is a gift we share with the world.